Good day and welcome everyone to another oral self-care video. This is your personal family dental hygienist, and in today's video I will be showing you how to use a soft pick. So now, in addition to dental floss, the soft pick is another really great tool that you can use at home to clean in between your teeth. It is also super effective, and now I'll show you how to actually use this thing. Now you can see that the soft pick is quite different when compared with dental floss. So dental floss is typically quite thin, as you can see. Let me show you a close-up here. It's a very thin rope, but it is quite great for people that do not have gum recession, that don't have dentures or braces. And this is another kind of the spool floss that I've showed you in a previous video too. As you can see, this one is quite thin too. Now compare this with a soft pick. As you can see, the soft pick is quite chunky. It's a little bit wider. So it'll be great for people that have bigger gaps in between their teeth, or people that have dental implants or crowns or bridges placed. Now looking more closely on the soft pick again, you can see it is made of green soft rubber, and it has these tiny rubber extensions on it too. Now these extensions are really nice when you slide the soft pick in between the teeth. These tiny little rubber flanges or extensions, they really nicely clean the gum pockets and in between the teeth areas. Now getting to the actual use of this soft pick. So it's quite simple and self-explanatory actually. You would use it just how you would use a regular toothpick, right? But stay away from wooden or hard toothpicks, or the ends or the plastic ends of your dental floss too, because they're quite hard. They can damage the gums potentially, but there's less chances of that happening with the soft pick. So I would just hold it between my two fingers like so, and then guide it in between the teeth like so. As you can see, there's quite a bit of gap between these two incisors, and I can very gently take this in and out of that gap. Like so. Moving on to the next one. This one, it fits here nicely too. Go back and forth a couple times, take it out, go back and forth to the next one, and take it out, and you go back and forth again, like so. The key is to not force it in between the teeth if there is no gap. In that case, you're just better off using the regular dental floss, which is quite thin. Like in this case, in between these two areas. Let me zoom in here. You can see this is quite tight, right? There's not much of a gap, so I have to put quite a bit of force. So in that case, I would just use a regular dental floss, like so. Slide it on one side, hug the other side, slide underneath the gums, and then you're out. So in order to give you guys a bit of a better visual, let me zoom into my dental form. Okay, so the soft pick actually goes through and through between your teeth, like so. Let me change the angle here. It's the same two teeth that I'm going in between, and it goes kind of through and through like that. Okay. And you can see the rubber extensions of the soft pick softly being guided along and clean in between the teeth around the gums too. So this is a really, really great tool. I really like it. I've suggested it for a lot of my clients, and it seems to work really well. Remember, we're being very, very gentle, using gentle force. If the soft pick does not go through easily, then try not to force it, please. Like here, it's not going through. I'm not going to force it. Actually, no, it's going through. There we go, back and forth. And then we're done, okay? So lastly, keep in mind that you're also able to bend this soft pick to different angles, like so. And why would you do that? If you're having trouble accessing the back teeth and you're not able to find the correct angle, you can also bend the soft pick like so. And this way you'll be able to better access the in between the teeth areas for your back teeth. So I have the soft pick bent. I just bent it using my fingers. It's very, very easy. So zooming into this guy, so you can see that this hook shape of the soft pick you'll be able to reach the back teeth a little bit better, like so. Back and forth, and you go back and forth in between the teeth, like so. Right. So play around with it, see which angle works for you the best. And happy soft picking and dental flossing. If you have any questions, please let me know in the comments. Please comment, like, and subscribe. I'm putting out at least 2 videos a week, or trying to. Yeah, I'll see you in the next video. Thank you very much.